This course represents an opportunity to stretch your making skills by creating a simple but extensible wheel robot based on the Arduino Uno. The process of constructing this robot will help you gain knowledge and experience in several important areas. This is really what the course is about. It's not really about the robot, it's about how you build a robot or any Arduino gadget. The skills and knowledge you gain are transferable to many other projects. What are those skills? The first skill is the one that allows you to understand a problem, to document its characteristics, and to decide what an acceptable solution should look like. In this project, the problem is the construction of a wheeled robot that can independently navigate towards a light source and to avoid obstacles. There are many ways to build such a robot and many ways by which the robot can fulfill such a loosely defined objective. Figuring out the details is the most important first step and what makes the design and construction of the solution possible. So the first thing that we'll do in this course is to take some time to understand the problem and then to design and document an acceptable solution. Once this analysis step is complete, the course will take you into the many technical details. That's when you start thinking about the components, the microcontroller, the sensors, and most important, how to get all these things to work together so that at the end we have a gadget that works. Formally, this gadget is called a system, and if you're interested about the details, you can look up the concept of systems thinking. Systems thinking is an approach to problem solving. Systems thinking is a tool that helps us to understand a system as a function of its parts. The parts and the interactions between them are as important as the system itself. But we are makers, not theorists, so the course will guide you through the thinking behind the selection of the various parts, the calibration and testing. First, these parts are tested individually and then as part of a system. And the process of testing and calibration is iterative. I'm actually going through this process live during the course. Instead of showing you the final version of the robot hardware and firmware, I show you the iterations I went through, including things that didn't work as expected. But this course is not just about me showing you things and you following. In the last part of the course, you will have to do some deep thinking in order to fix various problems with your robot. You will not be alone in this. I provide complete details about my own final solution to the problem, but I invite you to stretch your skills by trying to fix the problems with your robot. Creating a solution can take many forms. Person A can draw a solution on a napkin and call it a day. Person B can prototype a solution on a breadboard and move on to the next project. And Person C can move the breadboard solution on a prototyping shield or even a custom designed PCB. How do you know when to stop? Well, this is a personal thing and really depends on what each of us wants to gain by working on a project. But in this course, I assume that you want to gain a lot, so we'll help you get to a well-refined version of the solution. Let's recap. What is this course about? At surface level, it's about constructing a wheeled Arduino-based robot that can find a light source and avoid obstacles. But deep down, it's a project course that aims to stretch your problem-solving skills. The course aims to help you become a better analyst so that you can see problems as an array of design specifications, and from there to go on and create a refined and tested solution in the form of a system that can match those specifications.